Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to set up a joint account with CommBank. Setting up a joint account with CommBank is a straightforward process. The most common way to open a joint account is by visiting a CommBank branch together with the person you wish to open the account with. Both of you will need to bring valid identification, such as a driver's license, passport, or Medicare card. Branch staff will guide you through the process, which includes completing an application form. If you are both existing CommBank customers, you may be able to apply for a joint account online through NetBank or the CommBank app. The process is similar to opening a regular account, but it will be linked to both of your profiles. Once the application is submitted and approved, you will receive your debit cards, which typically arrive within 5 business days. In the meantime, you can use cardless cash via the CommBank app. It's important to have an open conversation with the other account holder about how you will manage the funds, including how you will contribute, what the account will be used for, and any spending limits. CommBank offers different types of joint accounts, including the Smart Access Everyday Account and NetBank Saver for savings, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.